Hello, welcome once again to my English grammar lessons. My name is Steve Ferry, and today I'm gonna take you into another English grammar lesson. Time conjunctions. Today I want us to understand how do we connect between the time and the actions or events that are happening or taking place. Conjunction, there is another word in this word conjunction. We have junction. A junction is a point or a center where if they are roads or things are connecting from either way. If, for example, if they are roads, one road is coming from this side, another road is coming from this side. There could be another or the other way, and this center is the junction. So, time conjunctions are words connecting the time period to the actions taking place and expressing and giving a reason why the time and the action are connected together. On my whiteboard, I have listed some of the examples of time conjunctions. Number one, when, until, by, once, as soon as, after, before, as. I tried to give a brief explanation about time conjunction, and here we go. They are subordinating conjunctions which can be used to connect an action or an event to the point in time. Subordinate, a subordinate, if, for example, on the side of people, if we have a manager, somebody who is under the manager or working under the manager is a subordinate, somebody supporting the managerial staff or supporting the manager's activities. That person is a subordinate. If we go to the officers in the army and we have the general officer or colonel, somebody who is under that rank is called a subordinate to the superior. So the time conjunctions are subordinating conjunctions. They are supporting conjunctions that join the given period of time to the action that is taking place or that we want to connect to. Maybe. Okay. I'm gonna give you a lot of examples, and we see how do we use time conjunctions to express, to connect between time to the action. Don't go away, keep subscribing. Remember, I told you we're gonna be looking at one topic after the other. It is like a kind of series. After this topic, there is another topic coming, there is the other coming. So subscribe, follow my YouTube channel. Let's move together and try to understand the English grammar. Don't go away. Welcome back once again. Let's go through the examples of time conjunctions, and we see how we connect between the action to the time we want to express. I have a simple table here. I have the action or event, conjunction. We need a word which is going to connect between the event and the time, a conjunction here, and I have time. Let's make a sentence. He was in a bad mood. He was not happy. He was not that in a good mood. He was in a bad mood when he talked to you that day. This is the connecting words between what happened and what time. That's why it is called the time conjunction. Example number 2. Brush your teeth before you go to bed at night. You should do this action. Somebody is kind of advising you to brush your teeth. What time before you go to the bed? Maybe at night. So it is this conjunction word that is connecting between the action you should do and the time when you should do that. I have been happy. Somebody has been happy since my childhood. Like you, if you have been happy since you were born. This person has been happy since the time he or she was born. Very lucky him or her. It is the sense connecting between the action of being happy and the childhoodness of this person, the time since he was or she was born. So there are other time conjunctions that I've not put here, including as soon as, while, blah blah. I want you to go to the comment section when you are watching. There is where down there you will see comments. Write for me a sentence, a very simple sentence using as soon as, or you can use as in a sentence. Please send it to me or to my YouTube channel. I will read that and I will put a smiling comment for you. I think this lesson has been very meaningful to you again. I thank you for watching this lesson. Please let us move together. Follow my YouTube channel and follow my lessons. Please subscribe. Let us go together. I hope to see you in my next lesson. Please don't go away. Bye bye and thank you for watching.